Hello and welcome to Petrol Magazine. In today's video, we're diving into the world of crazy supercars that have depreciated so hard, you might actually afford one without robbing a bank. These cars, once exclusive symbols of wealth and power, are now surprisingly within reach for mere mortals like us. So, if you want to roll up in something that screams millionaire but doesn't drain your wallet, stick around because these picks will blow your mind. And hey, before we start, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more car content. Let us know in the comments which of these supercars is your dream ride. Let's get into it. First up, we've got the Aston Martin V8 Vantage. Originally debuting in 2005, the V8 Vantage was Aston Martin's take on the everyday supercar, and boy, did they nail it. Under the hood, you'll find a 4.3-liter or 4.7-liter naturally aspirated V8 engine that produces up to 420 horsepower. This beauty hits 0 to 60 in just 4.7 seconds and has a top speed of 175 miles per hour. The interior, pure British luxury, leather everywhere, hand-stitched detailing, and timeless design. When it was new, the V8 Vantage cost upwards of $120,000, but here's the kicker, you can now snag a well-kept example for under $40,000. That's less than some fully loaded SUVs. Imagine pulling up to a party in an Aston Martin. Instant style points. Next, we have the Maserati GranTurismo, a true Italian masterpiece. First introduced in 2007, the GranTurismo combines jaw-dropping looks with an intoxicating exhaust note thanks to its Ferrari-derived 4.2-liter or 4.7-liter V8 engine. With 434 horsepower, this Grand Tourer does 0 to 60 in just 4.8 seconds and boasts a top speed of 186 miles per hour. The interior is pure elegance, with high-quality leather, handcrafted finishes, and a sense of drama only Maserati can deliver. When new, the GranTurismo cost around $130,000, but depreciation has worked its magic. You can now find them for as low as $30,000. That's a steal for a car with this much flair. If you're a fan of Italian exotics, drop a comment below and tell us Maserati or Ferrari. Let's settle this debate. Coming in hot at number 3 is the Audi R8, a car that shook up the supercar world when it launched in 2008. This mid-engine beast features either a 4.2-liter V8 or the monstrous 5.2-liter V10, shared with the Lamborghini Gallardo. The V10 version cranks out an insane 525 horsepower and rockets from 0 to 60 in just 3.7 seconds. The R8 also has quattro all-wheel drive, making it surprisingly practical for a supercar. The interior, Audi's classic blend of luxury and tech, with top-notch materials and a driver-focused layout. When it first hit the market, the R8 had a six-figure price tag starting at $120,000, but today you can find earlier models for under $60,000. If you've always dreamed of owning a car that makes you feel like Tony Stark, the R8 is your ticket to supercar glory without the billionaire budget. Of course, we can't forget the Nissan GT-R R35, Godzilla, launched in 2007. This twin-turbocharged monster became famous for punching far above its weight class, with its 3.8-liter V6 engine producing 485 horsepower in earlier models and later climbing past 600 horsepower. The GT-R hits 0 to 60 in a jaw-dropping 2.9 seconds. Inside, you'll find a mix of sporty touches and everyday usability, making the GT-R a true supercar you can live with. When new, the R35 GT-R cost $80,000 to $100,000, but early models have now depreciated to around $40,000. If you're all about performance and love tuning your cars, the GT-R is an incredible value. Let us know in the comments, are you Team JDM or do you prefer European supercars? Last but not least, we have the Bentley Continental GT. This luxurious powerhouse, first introduced in 2003, features either a 6.0-liter W12 engine with 552 horsepower or a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8. The W12 version goes from 0 to 60 in just 4.3 seconds and has a top speed of 198 miles per hour. The Continental GT is all about effortless speed and opulence. Inside, you'll find quilted leather, real wood veneers, and all the high-end features you could want. When new, the Continental GT cost well over $200,000, but now, earlier models can be found for under $40,000. If you want to feel like royalty without spending like it, the Continental GT is the way to go. And there you have it, 5 crazy supercars that have depreciated so hard. They're now within reach for car enthusiasts like us. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to Petrol Magazine for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Drive safe and dream big.